Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to connect your Instagram creator or business account to a Facebook page. As you can see, I'm already logged into Facebook. Now, let's switch to the Facebook page you want to link. I'll be using my page called Zaptroll as an example. At the top left corner of your screen, click on the page name to open the page menu. You'll now see a list of options to manage your Facebook page. Click on Settings. This is usually toward the bottom of the menu. Scroll down to find the Permissions section, and under that, click on Link Accounts. Now, select Instagram, and then click the Connect Account button. You'll see a prompt asking you to continue. Once you click Continue, it will redirect you to the Instagram login page. Go ahead and enter your Instagram username and password. Once logged in successfully, you'll be brought back to Facebook, and your Instagram account will now be linked to your page. Just a quick note here. Once linked, both your Facebook page and Instagram account will be managed under Meta Business Suite. I'll show you a quick diagram on the screen so you can better understand how everything is connected. This simply means both platforms are now part of your Meta Business profile, making management much easier. Once the connection is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. You can also click View on Instagram to check which Instagram account is connected to your page. To manage everything in one place, just search for Meta Business or Meta Business Suite on Google or directly in your browser. Log in using your Facebook account credentials. Inside Meta Business Suite, you can manage your content, messages, ads, and more across both Facebook and Instagram. And that's all there is to it. Your Instagram account is now successfully connected to your Facebook page. If you run into any issues along the way, feel free to drop a comment. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more update.